Morning, guys. It's February 17th, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a customer of mine. I guess he had bought a tenement house, and you can smell gas when he walks in one of the apartments. He thinks it's a space heater, but could be a stove. Could be old gas lighting in the walls, you know, gas piping in the walls, a lot of aluminum fittings and stuff.
Take the ramp on the right to Burgess Street.
It's not always easy to find this stuff. But anyway, we're going to go over there and give it the once over. See if we can give an unbiased opinion on what's going on here with it. Call the gas company, they just lock your meter, and now you got to do a line test, and they don't pass. It turns into a shit show. So it's always best to try to find it, and then having your meter locked out, and you got to go through $500, $600, $800 repair, get it inspected and everything. And I mean, it could really be bad. So better off to have a guy like me go in there and see if I can find out where the issue is first before you start calling gas companies. Might be a downdraft. We'll go figure it out. Hopefully he's a pretty cool guy. I've worked for him before in the past for his parents and whatnot. He's like 15 minutes away, so I'll probably have to wait for him a bit. That's definitely a leak right there, guy. You said the inspector checked it?
Yeah, she said that. Well, they had to get the approval for the.
Yeah, that's leaking right there. So let me get my wrenches and we'll take it apart and fix it.
All right.
Look at that, huh? That's definitely a leak. Definitely a leak. Nobody's been sick?
Knock on wood. Nobody. Even a lady on the front porch. She's 70, 75, and she hasn't even gotten sick.
Yeah, I haven't been sick.
You know what? I think we all gotten sick. I'm just.
Wow, this shit's all loose, guy. Who'd you have do this job? Is he a handyman or what?
No, she said he was a plumber. I don't know. People take advantage of it.
Well, you took advantage of her, huh?
Oh, the electrician really took advantage of her.
What was it?
The electrician really took advantage of her.
The electrician did?
Oh, yeah. So one of the biggest things they had to do since they bought it was everything was on the second floor. So she was paying electric and gas for the first and the second floor. She was the first floor that got the electrician, so she ended up paying for all that. There was no common meter. She was paying everything.
Maybe you didn't put no pipe dope in there. Put some pipe dope in it, we'll try it again.
How are you time-wise, Steve? You got some time to do some more stuff?
Not really, why? What else you need done?
Remember on my house in Marion, the vent system?
Yeah?
I'm going to change all that out because I'm going to have the side of the house re-sided.
What do you mean the vent system? The power venter?
Power vent, yeah.
What are you going to do, put a new one?
It's all new system. Keep the same
A
front.
new power venter or a new chimney? You're better off putting a chimney in.
Oh, last time you were there, you said that the power vent is so old. You know, it sounded like a damn train once you started up. So,
Oh, okay.
So I figured before I have the carpenter re-side the side of the house, because the side of the house, it's all full of soot from that power venter.
Well, that means the burner's not running right if it's full of soot.
Well, it's probably been like that for the last 10 years, because that's the only side of the house that's really bad. So
Is the power venter mounted on the outside or is it in the house? Huh?
It's outside.
So it's a field. It's got to be a field one then, if it's mounted outside. Yeah, we could put another. You're always better off with a chimney than you are a power venter, but we could.
Because the carpenter was like, well, I can try it again. If we put the same power venter, it's going to be the same crap. So I said, you know what, my corner said, you know, it was a good idea to switch that up. I want to get that done too. I mean, it's not a perfect thing, but whatever you can fit in.
I'm gonna have to hold back on it. Looks like. I don't know. That's why the guy didn't tighten it up. Things are okay. Gotta do what we gotta do here. Can't have the flipping thing leaking. Can't have it leaking. Can't have it loose as a goose and leaking. It's kind of a bad design here, hard to get in here. It's coming. It's coming around. I'm gonna have to take that pilot. Some of the out of there. Maybe. This other shit's flipping loose. Oh, that's pretty tight. Yeah, I could put another power venter in it. I'd have to see what size it is and whatnot, but you know, then you're good for another 8-10 years before you start having issues again, you know. A little jism on there. I gotta re-side my house too. I got issues. Yeah, I got issues with my house. I gotta re-side some of the shit on my house too. I mean, just how it is. You can't wash the shit off?
Nah, it's such bad shape. Because I had the front of the house painted, and I was just gonna have him paint over the side. So he started power washing. He's like, it didn't work. It was so dry.
Just too bad, huh?
Yeah. So he's like, you know what? Just have it side it, and then call me, and I'll, have the guy side it, and then I'll paint it.
So he wants to replace the power venter first?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna get that done. Plus, like you said too, that thing is my goddamn plane when it first started.
Oh yeah, it probably needs to be replaced. I mean, how old is it?
It's probably original to the house. It's got to be 25 years.
No, it can't be that old.
Huh?
25 years?
I don't know. I think it's original to the house.
I don't know about that.
Because that's a little subdivision. Well, it's not a subdivision. It was also a lot, and then the guy made 3 lots. And my book still has it too, and it's the same one that I have.
You've seen it was definitely leaking, right? I mean, you've seen it bubbling up.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. Yeah, don't pull on that light. It's gotta be reflected. Don't pull on it.
Yeah, it was a big leak. I mean, you would have smelled that shit before, for sure.
And I came up here and visited her a few times, but she always had it on, the heating system. I don't keep it on because I'm not here that often.
Yeah, I don't see it leaking now. We'll have to reset the pilot and turn it on and make sure it works.
What's all that water?
Got that?
No.
Fire!
What?
How
No.
about the fire? It's gonna make the heat come out. Oh yeah. Remember? Fire makes the heat come out. See, you know like our fireplace? That's like a fireplace.
Yeah, so when you want to do the power vent, I mean, I'd have to take a ride by there and see what I need, but
Yeah, whenever you get a chance.
is it the black soot was from some another time?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if it. All right, it's staying on. Turn this back to on.
Dad, do you know what he's doing? That's just what I did. Yeah, but how is he doing it? He's gonna put the fire on.
Do you hear it?
All right, that's good. You leave this low. I'm trying to see.
Yeah.
All right, I'll leave it low for
Dad,
now.
can I go on to the car so I can get the...
It was definitely,
No.
it was definitely a leaker. It was for sure leaking. Wow, that thing was really bad. I'm surprised the inspector didn't catch that. You know what it is? They got the shut off here, and then they test it downstairs with a gauge. So if this is off at the appliance, they're not testing from here in. You know, with the test.